All right, we just published our map, our web map to ArcGIS Online, our ArcGIS Online for Organizations account. Let's go in. I've just logged into the GISU account, and I'm going to navigate to My Content. I'm going to sort by the date modified. And here we go. We have our real-time GIS features, real-time GIS service definition. You'll notice right now that it's not shared with anyone. The entire goal of our real-time GIS project is to allow others to collect this geospatial data and the information, in this case about restaurants, from their mobile devices. It's not just for me to use it or just for the person who made it to use. So we're going to need to do a few things. First of all, we're going to need to share this. We're going to need to create a web map, and we're going to need to make this available to certain groups in my ArcGIS Online for Organizations account. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tackle the group part. You can create a new group pretty easily. I'm going to navigate over to the existing groups in this account, and you can create a new group right over here by clicking Create a Group. Well, I've already done that. We have a couple of real-time GIS applications that we use as demonstrations during GIS Day and those sorts of things. And so I've already created the GISU community. And I gave it this name to give it the sense of people all working together to collect data that may help out, in this case, everyone at ISU or in the Pocatello area, those sorts of things. Since we'll be using an existing group, I'm going to return to the My Content, and now I'm going to share this real-time GIS data. So I've selected the real-time GIS features and the associated service definition. And I'm going to share it with my organization, which happens to be called GISU. I'll click OK. Okay, so that change has been made, and it is shared now with the organization. Now I'm going to add these features to a new map. Okay, and as you can see, this zoomed in to the extent that I had previously set in ArcMap. If we expand real-time GIS restaurants, we'll see also that our service, our map service, carried across the symbology that we took some time and set up in ArcMap. Now, of course, there are no features that have been collected yet. We do not see any restaurant points on our map yet. That's going to happen actually when we go in the field with our mobile device or our smartphone. So what I'm going to do now is simply click Save, and I'll do Save As. I could have just done Save as well. And I'm going to call this Real-Time GIS Restaurants. I'll add a few tags to this. Idaho. Maybe Idaho State University. And I'll pick up that other tag that we had put in previously. A description of the map that I have entered is that this WEBMAP application, or this web map, allows users to collect information about their favorite restaurants in real time. And then I'm simply going to click Save Map. Now we have to share this map. So far I've simply shared the data, the service definition, those sorts of things, but I also need to share the map itself. So I'm going to click on Share, and I am going to share it, of course, with the entire organization, GISU in this case, and I'm going to share it with the GISU community. That's the group that I had identified just a couple of moments ago. And now I'm going to click Close.